Hey guys, let's see how to fix the issue with this cat water fountain. As you can see here, the LED is flashing 3 times and there's no water coming to the top. Okay, no flow of water at all. So I just need to remove and clean it up. Let me just remove this top part here. And you see that I can just remove this part. Just take it from here, open it, and then I can clean it up, right? So let me just start doing this. Remove this part here. There we go. And then here, see that I can just pull this one to open it. There we go. And there's also this other part here. I can just use this one as a lever here. And I can just do this. You see here? There we go. You see here inside that I just need to clean this part here to make it work better, to make this part rotate, right? So let me just wash it. I'm gonna use this brush here that I'm going to throw away, right? I'm not gonna use it anymore. So I just use it to clean it here. There we go, just need to clean as best as you can. And then you can just put everything back in place. Like so. Close it. Put it back here. You can also insert the filter here, if you have one. Put this back. Then you can just mount here again. And also you need to observe the level of water here. Okay guys, now as you can see here, the LED is flashing. It's a different problem now. You need to just remove the bubbles that you have inside. So what I have to do is just start shaking like this. Just remove the cover. Start shaking like this. You see that I have a level of water here. And you can also shake the entire cat water fountain. Just put this back in place here. I can shake it like this, and you see it starts working, right? There we go, a lot of dust here that you need to remove. Then you just wash it out and put water again and repeat the process, right? Until you see that the dust is no longer there. So as you can see here, when I remove, there is some dust inside, and I just need to clean it up and do the process all over again, right? So I'm going to clean this up, just throw the water away, washing it. Put more water here to this level and repeat the process. You see that's flashing here. I just put the pump here again and I shake a little bit like this to remove the bubbles. Put this back in place, and there we go, working. More dust coming, and I need to repeat the process one more time. Okay, so keep repeating this until it's completely clean and you're good to go. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.